Imagine starting from zero. No followers, no content, no audience, but with one goal, building a personal brand that actually works in 2025. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how I'd build a personal brand from scratch, the tools I'd use, the steps I'd take, and how I'd stand out even in a crowded space. Pick a niche that pays. First things first, I'd pick a profitable niche, not just a passion. Ask, are people in this niche already making money? Are brands spending money here? Can I create unique value? Let's say I choose freelance design tips. I know there's a huge audience on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Bonus, it's searchable, evergreen, and monetizable. Create a strong identity. Branding isn't just a logo. I'd choose a clean, memorable name, a brand color palette, a consistent profile picture across platforms, and one clear tagline. For example, helping designers go pro in 30 seconds or less. It's sticky, it's clear, and it gives people a reason to follow. Pick 2 platforms to start. Don't burn out. I'd go with YouTube, long plus shorts, and TikTok, since both reward new creators. Why? YouTube builds long-term authority, TikTok builds fast awareness. Post shorts daily, long-form weekly. Let one feed the other. Make high-value micro-content. In 2025, short form is king. So I'd create 15 30-second clips that are problem-solving, visually clean, with subtitles and strong hooks. Example hook, struggling to get clients as a designer? Try this one strategy. The goal, give value fast, keep people watching. Add a human hook. Even faceless brands need personality. I'd show either my voice, a character or avatar, relatable storytelling. In 2025, even AI-generated content needs a unique angle. Your face is optional, your vibe is not. Build credibility quickly. To grow fast, I would post consistently, 30 days straight if I can, share case studies, even fake mock-ups early on. Leverage proof from small wins. Gained 50 followers in 1 week doing this. People want to trust who they follow. Show progress publicly. Final call to action. If I had to build a personal brand from scratch, this is how I'd do it. No fluff, no fake motivation, just real strategies that work in 2025. So whether you're starting today or restarting again, remember, your story is your brand. Start sharing it. Subscribe if you want more no BS guides like this.